Students, welcome to Excel Tuitions, and today we'll go through most important and repeated correlations from Social Science 1, that is History Civics. In this video we'll discuss 25 most important and repeated correlations. So let us start. Question number 1. The word in column B bear a particular relationship to the word in the column A. Write in column D the word bearing a similar relationship to those in column C. Columns are A, B, C, D. First, Bipin Chandra, New India, Aurobindo Ghosh, Vande Mataram. Muslim League, established in 1906. Indian National Congress in 1885. गोमंतकीय तरुण संघ, शामराव मडकईकर, and Goa Action Committee, Dr. T.B. Kunna, that is Trisha Braganza Kunna. 18 June 1946 is the Goa Revolutionary Day. 19 December 1961 is the Goa Liberation Day. Purushottam Kakodkar deported to Portugal and P.P. Shirodkar to Angola. Union Jack belongs to England and tricolor India. Commander of Operation Vijay, General Chaudhary. Directed the Operation Vijay, Major General Candate. National Congress Goa was established at Londa. Goa Vimochan Samiti located at Pune. Swaraj Party was formed in 1922. Forward Bloc was formed in 1939. Suryakant Naik, Vande Mataram. Vatsala Kirtani, Jai Hind. Union List 97. Concurrent List 47. Plus 5 subjects are added, so it became 52. Gomantak Praja Mandal was founded in Mumbai. Gomantakiya Tarun Sangha was set up at Margao. Gomantak Praja Mandal published Gomantak, and Gomantak Tarun Sangha published Uttejan. Head of the state was the president, and head of the government is prime minister. National emergency Article 352. Financial emergency Article 360. First Prime Minister of India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First President of India Dr. Rajendra Prasad. T.B. Kunna, Goa Action Committee. Purushottam Kakodkar, Goa Seva Sangha. Cabo Verde, Divakar Kakodkar. Angola, P.P. Shirodkar. Civil Disobedience Movement in 1930 and Quit India Movement in 1942. Father of modern India, Tilak, and father of Goa's freedom movement, T.B. Kunna. Chalo Delhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. Do or Die, Mahatma Gandhi. Simon Commission, 1927, and Cripps Mission in 1942. Naujawan Bharat Sabha, Bhagat Singh. Abhinav Bharat, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Era of Moderates was from 1885 to 1905, and era of extremists from 1905 to 1920. Thanks for watching.